Little girl! Come on, Lils, keep up. I'm out here with Echo Pup and Little Girl, taking them for a walk around the property. To answer some of your questions, Little Girl is my brother's dog. She's a Rottweiler and a Hound mix. Kind of looks like a nice day, but I promise you, it's too cold and windy to be letting the birds out. And getting to the top of the hill here, I'm figuring out the jacket I picked isn't thick enough. And that's what I thought. Bert and all the snowballs are inside out of the wind. I see you, girls. What do you think, ducks? You want to go outside, don't you? I'm Dizzy. How's your kids doing? They just keep getting bigger and bigger. You got an egg in there for me, huh? You guys getting something to eat? Why are you so big? I hope you're not a boy. They were making girly sounds yesterday. This one has a bigger tail, stands a little taller, and a lot of you have been saying both of them are males, but I'm still holding out hope for girls. Pop, pop. Come on, Lils, try to keep up.